Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to talk about bitmaps and vector graphics. First, let's talk about the bitmaps first. Bitmaps is a digital image composed of a matrix of dots. For example, the photo was formed by many dots and the image is unclear, but the file size of it is very small. A piece of text, a drawing, example represented as on the computer display by the version of center dots in a rectangular matrix of dots. Next, about the vector graphics. Vector graphics are composed of paths, which are defined by a start and end point, along with other points, curves, and angles along the way. A path can be a line, a square, a triangle, or a curved shape. Vector graphics can form a more clear image and the color is more better, but the file size is much larger than the bitmaps. Nowadays, for example, you search the photo from the Google always will give you the vector graphics image instead of the bitmaps to give you a high quality of image. And for vector graphics, the color of it will more better, and it is defined by a start and an end point. For example, in the PowerPoint I just mentioned that curves and angles points may be represented in vector graphics. Next, we will talk about the differences. Here have two images. Would you think about which one is vector graphics and which one is bitmaps? Now I will talk about the answer. The right hand side, this one, it is the bitmap graphics. You can see that it has some square to form an image, and the image is unclear, and the image is only black color, and the color is also not clear. But the file size is very small of this picture. The left hand side, this one, it is a vector graphics. You can see that the image was formed by lines and have many color, and the color is very clear, and the image is more clear than the right hand side, and it looks very smooth about it. Nowadays we will choose vector graphic instead of the bitmaps, but bitmaps is the file size of bitmaps is much smaller than for our vector graphic. For example, this image need to have 100 MB. Maybe this photo need to take 300 to 400 MB, and it is a large amount of differences between the file size and the image and the clear of the image. But I will choose this instead of the bitmaps graphics. This is my presentation of bitmaps graphics and vector graphics. Thank you.